Hi, I'm Yasi, and this is Sonia, and it's from Steven by Steve Madden. Add a touch of the exotic to your ensemble with these stunning pumps. They have this stingray embossed leather upper and this beautiful color block suede detailing that is so stunning. It comes with this very convenient dual adjustable buckle strap detailing that is gorgeous, and it's going to give you a nice and secure fit with these on. It has goring on the back of each of the straps as well. Has a smooth lining as well as a lightly padded footbed that's going to provide you with plenty of comfort. Has this beautiful peep toe construction as well as this gorgeous wrapped heel that's going to give you that boost in height that you're looking for. It also has a really nice durable outsole. You'll look sensational with the very modern look of the fabulous Sonia.